What's going on, you guys? I'm gonna do a video on how to do a quick side bun. Thank you so much for tuning in. I haven't been here in a while, you guys, but I'm like, let me give them some videos. So this is a quick side bun with your hair like already dirty. As you can see, my hair done already went through the phase of being curly, and then I brushed it out to do some other buns and stuff like that. So it's really at the end when it's gonna get washed soon. But when your hair is like this in the dirty phase, it can be a good time to do buns. So you can still see the curl pattern in there, stuff like that, you guys. My hair is long. It's not that long. I've seen people with longer hair, but it's long. Yeah, there's still some curl patterns in here that's knotted up, and it hurt. Okay, so the bun that I'm gonna do is like the swoop one. Okay, it's a lot of hair falling out. The gel that I'm going to be using today is this gel. This is one of my favorite gels to use. At this moment, I've been using it for years. Yes, I have switched to other ones, but I came back. Okay, so I'm going to do the line real low over here because I want it again to swoop. And I'm trying to see, where is my other brush? I really need to go like a brush shopping. And plus my daughter, she's 1 and she comes in here and does whatever she wants to do. Okay, so I'm gonna put it low, probably like over here. But I have like a little ball spot, you guys, so yeah. So that's like how I want it, like that, to be swooped in the front. You see I got my part there. Again, I like to do this when my hair is dirty, for the simple fact, and there's been hair on this. I deal with a lot of hair fallout. Because my buns are bigger. Okay, if I would have washed my hair, it would have been more flat. So I'm going to take the gel and start with my roots first. In the front of the hair, basically. Now I'm going to take some like this and put it all over, even under. Depending on the texture of your hair, you would need more. And yeah, depending on the texture of your hair, you would need more. And you might not go through this if your hair is way shorter, because then you would just clip on like a bun onto your hair. So yeah, I got it easy. People think having like long hair is all fun and games. I mean, it is, I guess, until you really got to put in work. You really got to style your hair. I say people with short hair is always good, or people that wear like extensions or weave, because you can switch your shit up at any time. Sometimes I'll be wanting to wear a short hair though, but I can't unless I get like a wig or something, you guys, and I'm not like, I would have to go somewhere to get that shit done because I don't know how to do it. I'm looking for my other brush and I really need it badly. And I know I should have did it before the video, you guys. It's not this one, but I'm going to use it. This is a small brush. I got this from my local beauty supply hair store. This one is just kind of rough, so I would recommend for somebody that has thicker hair. I'm gonna take an extension like this. It's one, but I wrapped it in two. And this is the issue right here. When you're bringing it into the front, you probably want to go like that. Because there's some hair that really belongs like over there. I'm really struggling, you guys, without my other brush that I need. But I already started the video. I'm gonna put the ponytail as low as possible. But not too tight, because you don't want to, like, you know, the bottom of your hair be tight as hell type shit. At this time, I'm just gonna try to smooth out the front of the hair. Okay, so I got two pinches, which is bobby pins, you guys. And you can use that, or you could use another hair tie, or some people could just twist their hair up and it'll stay in the bun. When I have a top bun, I could do something like that sometimes, but not with the side one, right? So I like to twist the bottom a lot and let the middle get a little big like that, because that's gonna be the round part of the bun. Again, you guys, you see how that is? That's exactly how I want it. I'm gonna take the pinche, which is the bobby pin, and I'm gonna stick it right at the end. To clip it into the bun, to hold it into the bun. And I'm gonna take, I don't know which way that's going. I'm gonna take this other one and just put it down here. And that's it, I got a bun. So now what I focus on, you guys, is getting my hair to slick the way I want it to on the front. The brush I need is not available. Again, the brush I need is not available. All right, I'm gonna take some baby hairs out right here. And on this side is actually doing exactly what I wanted to do. Do something like that. All right. And it looks kind of dry. You want to make sure that, and I'm just going to use some African oil to make sure like where your cut is, that you're moisturizing that and that it doesn't look dry as hell, because sometimes I'll be outside like the back is all dried out like your scalp. All right, so this is basically it for the quick bun. If you guys know, you have me on social media. It's Twisted Beauty Makeup. I wear my hair like this sometimes. But yeah, that's basically it. This is how I get it done. Boom. Bye, you guys.